Hello, friends and fellow Disney fans. Welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. We've got big news. What are we going on, Jamie?
We are going on an Adventures by Disney vacation.
And the first step of going on an Adventures by Disney vacation is they send you like this box of goodies. So we're going to unbox it and check it out.
And tell you a little bit more about Adventures by Disney.
Come along.
So hi guys, as we mentioned, we are going on an Adventures by Disney vacation. If you don't know who we are, I am Jamie, and this is my husband,
Brad.
And he gets to come on fun adventures with me, doesn't he?
I do. But you're actually the star of the show because she is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations.
That's
and
right.
Our heart as a channel is we just want to come alongside you in your Disney adventures. And we want to bring tips, tricks, reviews of different things just to help you have the most magic vacation possible. So let's chat about Adventures by Disney.
So you might be asking, what is an Adventures by Disney?
I was.
Yeah, it is a product that I would say not a lot of people know about. For people who are Disney fans, it is a great product for them because Disney is a trusted brand. You know, maybe the vacations, you've been on a Disney cruise or to Disney World, and your family just loves the Disney product.
Mm-hmm.
Well, guess what? Adventures by Disney can take you all around the world. So you can visit Japan, Greece, and where we're going
is Peru
with Adventures by Disney. And the coolest thing about Adventures by Disney is you actually get 2 tour guides. You get one VIP guide, and then you get a local tour guide too. So they are personally there to just help you, walk you through. Disney Adventures by Disney takes care of every single thing, from the hotels to the activities. They have a lot of behind the stage access. Like for example, we are going to be visiting Machu Picchu while we are in Peru, and a lot of people scramble to get tickets for it. It is a very popular thing, and they only allow a certain amount of people in. So, you know, everybody tries to get a ticket to that, and we didn't have to worry about that at all because Disney has taken care of everything for us.
Exactly.
So it's so nice. They take care of the food. Everything's included.
Hotels.
So it's really a beautiful premium vacation with activities and everything. It's perfect for families or adults.
We're pretty excited.
We are.
Imagine a guided tour, but with Disney's attention to detail and storytelling, bringing you along every step of the adventure.
That's right. And maybe you've done the VIP tours before at the parks. It's a lot like that.
Yeah.
You're going to get that attention to detail, a guide to really help you and give you a personalized kind of experience.
That's
So
right.
I've actually talked to some people about it, and they go, oh my gosh, how expensive is it? And it is a premium product. But that being said, when you break down each component of how much the hotel is, how much each activity is, how much dining at some of the best restaurants is going to be, how much transfers, everything, by the time you put that in, it's actually a good...
It's comparable.
Yeah.
I mean, again, it depends how much you're going to do, what you want to do.
Yeah.
But it really takes the stress, the load off, and just make sure that you have the most magical vacation possible.
That's right.
The best trip you can have.
You even said to me, you said, oh, why don't we go get a book on Peru so we can start reading up about what activities we need to do? And I said, Brad, we don't even need to do that. Disney's taking care of everything. The itinerary, everything is all taken care of. So we don't even need to worry about what sites we need to see because Disney's taking care of that and picked all the highlights and the best of the best for us.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah. So that being said, as Brad mentioned, the first part of your Adventure by Disney is you get a personalized mail.
You get a box.
So we thought it would be super fun to start our adventure off with you guys by unboxing and showing you what you get in your mail.
All right, here we go.
So, okay, we have not looked at this yet. We've
Nope.
been very patient. So first things first, some Adventures by Disney hats.
Oh, we got a hat.
I like it. Yeah, try it on, try it on.
Put my...
See if it fits you.
Oh, my
you're gonna
fat head.
You're gonna need to
It's
adjust.
still too big. Okay.
Hey, it looks good.
Oh, I'm
I like
ready
that.
for my adventure.
And then the next thing is name tags. Because you wear this during the
Oh, that's like
tour.
what the cast members wear in the parks,
I know,
except
how
it's
cute is
Adventure
that?
by Disney.
Okay, and then we have luggage tags, and these actually identify our luggage. So when it comes off of the airplane, then Adventures by Disney can take it for us. So we don't
baggage
need to
claim,
mess with it.
they know what we're doing. And then it looks like the big gift is an Adventure by Disney backpack.
Oh, nice. you will definitely be using that.
I needed one. You have a nice backpack ready for an adventure.
Yeah.
I do not. Ooh, it's very nice.
Oh, that's beautiful. So as we mentioned, we are going to be going through. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow along on our adventure. We will be posting vlogs, information on Adventures by Disney and why you should be absolutely going on it.
Yeah.
And if you are interested in going on Adventure by Disney, just traveling the world with Disney, sounds awesome, right?
Why not contact her?
I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, so I'm here to help you get the most out of your trip. You can contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or through the website
www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Best of all, when you book with her, her services are completely free.
That's right.
She comes alongside you as effectively free concierge service to help
That's right.
you have the best vacation possible.
Yeah, I try to give every client a glass slipper kind of concierge level experience. So if that is something you are interested in doing and working with me, contact me. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.